Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag GViswanathan's challenge, question number 10th. This is the question: insert, delete or get random with time complexity of O of 1. Well, I actually solved this question, but the bad part about this thing is my logic is very simple, but still the time complexity I'm getting is worse than I have expected. Okay, let me just submit again in front of you. See, like I can't even say that 212 millisecond. Well, let me read you to the problem statement. Problem statement says implement the randomized set class. There's a set class randomized. There is a function which basically creates the array list. I can use the set, but that too it's very difficult for to implement. Nevertheless, there is an insert function inside this class which basically inserts the element. If element already exists in the array list, then it will return false. Here it return key insert this in this, return true if the item was not present, otherwise return false. There's a remove which basically removes the item val from the set. If present, return true. If it was not present, return false, otherwise. Get random function basically returns the random element from the list. Well, this is what I have written, and well, no problem, sometimes this happens. The time complexity is very bad, but okay, fine. This is the question number 10th. I will post more questions tomorrow. Thank you.